Dear kids, welcome to our online classes. Hope you all are doing very great. So today I have chosen item number 24, though I know that many of you already have done, but still I thought it needs to give it touch. Okay, so here I think as it's the revision classes, as these are the actually revision classes, so I thought that we would not leave any of the chapters behind. Okay, we will give our touch to each and every single chapter or item. So that's why I have chosen this item. It is item number 24, and more specifically it is page number 35. So here what kind of question you will have. Here some of the faces will be given. Okay, the faces of girls and boys. Okay, from the hairstyle and the face cutting, you have to understand that does it look like a boy or does it look like a girl? Okay, so now from the boy side there will be a question that would be that you need to complete from the girl side. So again, if there's any question from the side B, that means from the girl side, then you need to mention the answer in the boy side. Okay, like from seeing the face you need to recognize that are you girls. If it looks like girl, then of course you need to write yes I am. If it is not, then you need to write no I am not. Okay, if the face looks like a boy and it is asking that are you a boy, yes I am. But if doesn't look like a boy, then you need to write no I am not. Similarly, it can be the same with the man and woman. If the one side if the question from the one side is like are you a man, but if on the another side it is a picture of a woman, then you can't write that yes you are or I am. Then you need to write no I am not. Okay, so what would be the correct answer? It depends on the faces. Okay, whether it is a face of a boy or a man or a girl or a woman. Okay babies, so I have drawn the picture. I tried to draw the pictures on the board. I have that from the board you can see the pictures actually behind me, but I hope that you all have your books with you. So please go through the book and page number 35. It is item number 24 from your Active English workbook. Not only Active English book, it is Active English workbook. Okay, so please have your book with you and please go through the pictures first. Okay, so let us go over it. So here as we can see actually on the first row, that means the first box is already given for you. Here see, it's a face of a boy. From the hairstyle we can sense that yes it's a boy. So he basically he maintained very short hair. His hair is not long, so it's a boy. So are you a boy? He is asking to whom? This man. See, it's also a face of a boy. Okay, see, this face also doesn't have the long hair. Okay, he's wearing a pair of glasses. So here, so he is asking this person that are you a boy? So he is answering yes I am, as of course he looks like a boy, so yes I am. Okay, so if it is not a boy, if it is a girl, then you need to write no I am not. Okay, now coming to the number 2, that means again see, similarly it's also like this. Here it's a face of a boy. Okay, again it's a face of a boy. So he is asking he is asking dash you a boy. If it is about a question, what should we put first? We should put an auxiliary at the very beginning of the question. Okay, so what would be the auxiliary verb here? Here the auxiliary verb would be are, because for you we write are as auxiliary verb. Okay, so here we should write are first. So A-R-E, please note it down. Are you a boy? So now see, here see, it's a girl. It's a girl, okay. So he is asking from that side, are you a boy? Here see, it's a face of a girl, okay. It's a face of a girl, isn't it? Yes. From the hairstyle and the bun that she made, we can understand that it's a girl. So we can't say no. Yes. So here we need to say no. I am not. Okay. No, I am not. I repeat. Are you a boy? No, I am not. Okay. See here, the face is actually a girl's face, because she is making her hair. She maintains long hair. Okay. So similarly, now coming to the number 3, it is R dash dash man. So after R, he is asking to whom? This one. Okay. So he is referring as are you a man? Are you a man? So here see, it's of course it looks like a man. So what should I write? If it looks like a man, should I write no? Never. As it also looks like a man, so yes, I need to put here yes. Yes, I am. So he is answering him that yes, I am. Okay. So are you a man? Yes, I am. Are you a man? Yes, I am. Please note the answers down, and you need to actually submit your homework. So please make it done, baby. So now see, similarly, now coming to the number 4, here again it's a face of a boy. Now he is asking that dash dash dash. That means at the very beginning of a question we should put a R. Okay. R, A-R-E, R, U, Y-O-U, a man. Are you a man? Okay. He is asking. Okay. The person in the another side, he is asking. So here we can see it's a face of a woman. Okay. So here no is already given. So from seeing the no, we can understand that it can never be a man. Okay. So she is actually a woman. So I am not. Okay. No, I am not. Okay, baby. So now number 5. Here in number 5, again it's a face of a boy. So here the auxiliary verb is am. When we use am, do you know? Am is used after I. Like I am a boy, I am a girl, I am a student, I am eating rice, I am watching a television, I am watching a movie, I am playing cricket. So here with I, with I, undoubtedly we use am in present tense. Don't we? Do we use am after you? You am or you are? You are. I am or I are? I am. Okay. She am or she is? She is. So am is basically comes after whom? After I. So if it is about am, so what would be the pronoun here? You or I or she or it? What would be the perfect pronoun here? It should be I. Okay. So am I a boy? Okay. He's asking, am I a boy? He's asking about actually himself. Am I a boy from whom? From this girl. Isn't she a girl? Do you think she is a girl? Does it look like a girl's face? Yes? Do you really think she is a girl, baby? Yes. I also think that she is a girl, because seeing the beautiful hair making, she maintains long hair, and of course the two buns in two different sides. Okay. So and the smiling face, it undoubtedly actually indicates that it's a girl. Okay, so here he is asking, am I a boy? From whom he is asking? From the girl, that am I a boy? Now the girl is seeing the boy's face. Now she is answering like yes. Okay, the boy, it is actually a boy, so he is so she is answering that yes, you. Now you, so after you what should I write? Are. Yes, you are. Okay, so now coming to the number 6. Here dash I. If it is about I always told you that yes, with I we should put the auxiliary verb. What? The auxiliary verb am. Okay, should I put here are I or is I? Okay, was I? Should I put was, is or are? No, as I know with I should use am, so I can't put anything else as auxiliary verb. So I must put the auxiliary verb am here. Am I a girl? So this boy actually asking that, am I a girl? Of course not. So he is asking from this girl. Okay, he is asking from this girl. So it is also a girl because seeing the picture, it has that similarity with the previous one. Okay, so we can say that yes, it's also a girl. So here she is seeing the face, she is answering that no. Okay, no, you. After you what should I write as auxiliary verb? What should I write, babies? Am. Should I put here am or should I put here is? You is? No, as we know, after you we need to put what? We need to put the auxiliary verb are. No, you are not. No, you are not. Okay, so now coming to the next one, number 7. Here, so as it is the pronoun is you, so of course the auxiliary verb would be are. A-R-E. Okay, are you girls? The boy is actually asking the girls in the another side that are you girls? Are you girls? So they are girls. Of course they are girls. See, seeing their hairstyle, we can sense that yeah, they are girls. So they are saying that yes. Yes, we. So after we, what would be the auxiliary verb? Am, we am, or we are, or we is. We are. Yes, we are. Okay. So see, are you a boy? No, I am not. Are you a man? Yes, I am. Are you a man? No, I am not. Then, am I a boy? Yes, you are. Am I a girl? No, you are not. Are you girls? Yes, we are. So, okay, the last one is given for you as your homework, okay? So, number 8 is for your homework. Do it your own. Hope we will meet very soon. Till then, stay well and take care.